It's a really valid point of where do you balance the human interaction with the uh, automated interactions.
I think that they're mostly tools that you need to like put a lot of the help desk, solutions into, and they're probably more AI generated now. We're looking for some way for our customers to be more, at least try to resolve an issue before the ticket's escalated. We're just trying to figure out what are the best tools and how to build them.
Everybody's in love with AI. Everybody loves the idea of having a bot, but I was just discussing offline here with my team because we're all in here enjoying this conversation. But I said, everybody likes the idea of technology and expanding, but honestly, I think people here wouldn't do well because they would want that personal touch. And it's all about getting somebody there in front of you or somebody on the end of the line. And I think that with our company, the size that it is, everybody's clamoring for new technology, but ultimately I think they still want to talk to one of our folks. So it's kind of like that, which direction do you go in and what's right for the business? That's something we struggle with.
It's a really valid point of where do you balance the human interaction with the automated interactions. We use ServiceNow, which does have chatbot functionality in it, and we're only scratching the very surface of what we potentially could do with it. But it's definitely, it hasn't really reduced a lot of calls from the service desk. And the bottom line is because people want to talk to a human being, and we're in medicine where people need something figured out right away. But what we are playing around with it a little bit is in the area of sort of that password reset, or at least trying to route an inquiry to the right person as fast as possible. So we use it really more as a triaging kind of tool. So if somebody comes in via the chat, they have the ability to say, hey, I need some help. And then the chat will say, kind of like, are you looking for help on a password, or are you looking for help? So if it's a password, okay, we're going to route you over to these password clerks. They'll take care of this. And then all of a sudden the human interaction starts. So we're really more using it as an initial triage before we move to the human interaction.